right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we cover all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, all kinds of information about cryptocurrency, getting rewards back on BlockFi's credit card. We always talk about mining the cryptocurrency. Today we're going to actually install an actual GPU card onto our current rig. So we want to show you how to do that. So it's going to be a little bit different than normal. So we're going to show you that. Here we go. So yeah, taking.
I wouldn't even recommend them again for that.
Here we go. We're adding a 3090 on. So we got some parts. So we're going to be opening up the 3090. All right. And then we got our installer, Jared. Say hi, Jared.
How you doing?
All right. So go ahead and take that open. So we got a couple good things here. Look at this. A nice little toy there. Interesting.
Kind of neat.
Kind of neat.
Pretty cool, actually.
Then they got a little logo. All right. If you want to open it.
All right. Put this guy on here.
So we always talk about mining the coins, staking the coins, selling the coins, buying the coins. Today we're talking about putting a GPU card onto our current rig. I'm gonna see if they're gonna go ahead and do this.
I'm gonna start off by just peeling off this plastic. This thing is a chonker. It is a big card. Try not to grab the back. Did I miss any? Don't think so.
All right, 3090. This is gonna be really fun.
This is bigger than the other ones. Okay. I'm gonna start off, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the riser on now. Pretty straightforward. It's like playing with adult Legos. That's really what it is. A little tab back. We'll lock it in place here. Go ahead and plug the USB portion back in. I personally like getting all the cables in the graphics card ahead of time. Just makes it easier. I can do it now without it hitting any of the current cables on the GPU rig itself. Have a little splitter on it. Cables courtesy of Parallel Miner. I hope if I did it the right way.
Hooking it up. So again, mining the coin, I mean, everybody wants to buy the coin, everybody wants to stake the coin. One way that you can actually make money is mining the coin. You do got to get cards and stuff. Got the card at Micro Center. 3090 came in, and guess what? A lot of people aren't getting the 3090s. They're getting the 3070s and the 3080s. So it came in, I went and picked it up, got lucky today. We're going to add it to our current fleet of cards here.
Make sure I line up the little notch for the 6+2 pin here. Sometimes it likes to slip on me. Make sure I get it in properly. And then you can like click that in place there. Not trying to overdo it. And one more for a riser. Right on the back here.
Good news is I can go back and watch this and figure it out myself here.
All right. So, that being said, we are free. Take it on over here.
Taking a walk into here. So again, there it is, taking a job. That passive income, taking a job, taking a job. Here's our actual fleet, and Remember I was saying before that we had this one on the, and it only had no friends? Well, we're gonna go ahead and hook this one right up, right down here.
Cut the power real quick. Need to go grab my zip tie.
Yeah, mining the Ethereum. This is more about hooking up a card, so I'm not really going through all the features and all the fun stuff.
Take the little
Some
heads out here.
Some people with mining, they want to get the $20 a day passive income. Some people want to get the $50 a day. Some people shoot for 100, 200. You know, we're just starting this project, having fun with it.
I used to hook this up with nails, but I figured out zip ties, less permanent, a lot less of a pain in the neck. Can zip tie it right to the rail, move it around if I want to at the cost of one zip tie. So overall, just makes it a lot easier.
So we had this one, and now we're getting into two.
Bring the riser around. I'm gonna have to cut the zip ties that are currently over here when I do my cable management. Again, some people would say my cable management is not very good. It's better than it used to be. Hope if I put it the right way. Slot that right in the motherboard. Actually, I'm gonna redo that because I want this to come under the rail so it's not tangling.
Not always the most sexiest video, but definitely awesome when you're learning it.
I'm just gonna plug it right here, not forcing anything, just slide it right into place. Just an adult Lego set, that's all it is. Now, take this, and power it, plug it right in here into my server power supply. And I don't like to overload any one rail, so I'll balance it across it. If rail's the right word for it, I'm sure this cord needs to come out from underneath the graphics card, sneak underneath here, come through the back side. Then eventually, what I'll do is I'll zip tie them all together, get them out of the way, make sure it's not touching anything it's not supposed to. There it is. There it is. And then we just got the third one right here. We'll move it right along to the back side. And what I'll do is I'll just probably zip tie it, something like that. Normally, a lot of times these cables come with a lot of loose cords. I may take some like electrical tape just to bind them together, make it real nice, neat and pretty, but don't really need to do that right this second.
All right, so it looks like we
Plug our
got
server power supply in.
plug in the a little bit of power.
Ooh, not sure if we have an open spot. Oh, we got one.
We're doing that. Again, we got fans. She's gonna have to go get a fan for this one now. Taking the jobs, taking the jobs. Buying the cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, using that BlockFi credit card and getting your rewards back on Bitcoin and rewards. Pretty interesting.
All right.
All right, ready to boot it back up?
The biggest thing is I'm going to stop it from mining right away so I can put in the correct overclock settings. Don't want to let it mine on the current settings. Ooh, that's a pretty card. Oh, I like that. That's really cool.
Look at that.
Got a little screen on the top of it.
Yeah, they're outdoing themselves all the time. Taking a look at it.
I just make sure it registers both GPUs here when it logs in a Hive.
Yeah. I always talk about the buying the cryptocurrency, but I honestly think mining the cryptocurrency is kind of neat too. May not be for everybody, but it is pretty neat. And everything's booting up.
Alright, both GPUs are showing. Let me just stop it from mining.
So as it's going through, it's booting up here. I'll let you guys watch this real quick so you can kind of see it. So look at that, it's already starting to mine. And notice how there's two, it tells you the name of the card. GeForce RTX 3090, that's one we put on. To give you an idea, look at this right here. Take a look at how there's all those cards. Okay, so this rig over here has 5 going. The one we're putting together right here, we needed a friend for it because it only had 1 card. Now it's got 2, and there it's mining. And that's pretty much, look at that. A little help from Jared, putting it together. Jared, you got any last things you want to talk about the card at all?
One second, let me just go around over to miner action.
Passive income, mining the cryptocurrency. You do got to buy the cards. You do got to get it set up, acquire it. Got to be patient with it. Are you mining the Ethereum? Are you mining Ravencoin? What are you mining?
Alright. Miner is stopped.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead. Alright, so again, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. We always talk about buying the cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency. So today, we're showing you about mining. Right here, we just hooked this card up. Take a look at this card. So we just hooked that up. So again, today we're talking about mining. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All our information is for educational purposes only. We'll see you tomorrow. Monday through Friday, we launch our videos at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends at 3 to 4. You have an awesome day.